I'm not trying to move my hand. But because I don't want the policeman to see it. There's a literal cop behind me right now. He popped up out of nowhere. He sped up so fast behind me. And I'm in the Camaro right now, but sorry for the shaky camera. I got track suspension on it. He's like talking on his walkie. He's like fiddling around back there. And I didn't do none. So this car's really bright though. I don't know if he's gonna annoy me over that, but come on, it's Thanksgiving just went by. It's Black Friday. I'm trying to go home, like, and there's somebody braking really hard up here. But yeah, I was just listening to Frank Ocean, but he's trailing me so hard. I'm going 30 miles an hour. We're in traffic. I don't see how he could even follow me, or why he's like on a. You know what? I'm gonna outsmart this guy. I'm gonna pull into the Dutch Bros right here and act like I'm getting a coffee or something, and hopefully he just leaves me and lets me be. But so far he is following me, and he is not even like putting on a turn signal or any. He pulled me over. I'm pulled over. All right. Getting pulled over. This is my first time ever getting pulled over. Look at these kids doing ATVing. He can go bug these kids. They're like, oh. All right, I'll just stop right here.
What's up, bro?
Hey, how's it going?
Doing all right, dude. Austria State Police. Reason for the stop, 2 reasons. 1, what's with the dealer plate on the car? And then 2, speeding. Back from.
So the vehicle is registered. I just keep these pictures in here. Vehicle used to look like this when we got it. We rebuilt vehicles. So I just rebuilt the vehicle, so that's why it has the dealer plates on it. We bought it under our dealership.
Okay.
And then I was just doing a test drive because the transmission just got serviced.
Okay.
So I was about
Is
it.
that your excuse for the speeding back there, bro?
I
45, dude. You were over 70.
There's no excuse for that, if I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
There's no excuse for that that kind of driving, but
Okay.
yeah.
You can grab your phone with you that you're filming on me.
Yeah.
And step out of the car with me. You don't have to come back to my car. You're gonna get at least a citation for the speeding.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
You're fine, dude.
Yeah.
But it's way too fast for the brother.
Yeah. I hardly ever.
Right here from you, okay?
You got
keep
it.
talking to me.
Yeah.
Bro.
I hardly ever drive that thing. It's been in my garage for like 3 months. It's on right there on the bottom.
Right here?
Yeah. If you want to peel it back, there's more information.
No, I'm not gonna mess with it, bro.
Okay.
Bro, so how this works,
Yeah.
I can only identify speeding, right? I
Yeah.
can't confirm the speed you're going, even though I know you're going over 70, bro.
Yeah.
So-
I'll admit it. Yeah.
So, yeah, here's the deal,
Yeah.
dude. You're just gonna get a single citation
Okay.
for less than 10 over. Okay,
Okay.
so 10 or under. 2 options. One's a court appearance. That's the second option. First option is a fine. Fine's $25.
Okay.
Which option? What do you want to do?
If
It's gonna be through Metro Court.
I've never been pulled over before, so if I do a court appearance, what happens with that?
So Metro's different, man. If you go to Metro Court, what they'll do is you have the opportunity to do basically a driving school, like a
Okay.
defensive driving course if you
Yeah.
go through there, which would be a deferred sentence. Otherwise, you can plead whatever you want to do and try to go through the judges there. It's up to you, though.
I'll just do the citation.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know that car's fast, dude, but take that thing further out there, bro.
You got it. Yeah, it came out of Michigan. Somebody rear-ended a F-150 with it.
So you guys bought it from Michigan and brought it down here?
Yeah, I had it shipped.
How many miles are on it?
When I got it, had 5K. Right now, it's at 6K.
Okay.
I got it in 2021. I rarely drive it.
Okay.
I've rebuilt one of these too, Explorer.
What about them?
I've rebuilt one of these, an Explorer.
A police one or just in general?
In general, yeah. It was a pretty tricky one to fix, the one I did this one. I had a hard time getting these gaps set right up here.
Yeah, unfortunately, we total these like crazy.
Really? I've seen a couple of them at the auction.
Oh, yeah. Well, we just had our auction for state police, and I think we got rid of our Tahoes, the Explorers, our Unmarks. We got rid of a lot. We sold them all.
Wow.
And it depends on miles. I've seen them go as much as 18K for the auction, and then like as little as 4K, but most of them have at least 100. Our top-off mileage will be 120.
Yeah. That's insane. When you guys are driving these things, you're probably driving pretty fast when they get wrecked, huh?
Yes and no. They're not like, this is like the naturally aspirated 3.3 liter.
Yeah.
So they're not fast cars at all.
Oh, we got two?
Yeah, this is my buddy.
Hey. Hi there.
Go, man. What's up, brother? Just saw you, heard you on the radio. Yeah. You're just hauling butt.
This is my first time being pulled over.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think I'm doing pretty well. I thought I'd be a lot more nervous. But
It's a dealer cat. Oh, okay. Which he's showing me, they bought the car from Michigan and brought it down. It was more or less in bad shape. And they basically repaired it.
how's you guys' Thanksgiving?
Oh,
Good,
we
man.
worked, dude.
Good?
We worked.
Really?
Yeah, we worked. I was out I called out like 4 in the morning.
Ooh,
Worked until like 3.
dang.
Part of it, man. It is what it is.
Yeah. Well, today, how's your day today?
Wasn't bad, man. The weather held up nice. It was
Yeah.
snowing through the morning, so that kind of like...
Yeah, it's getting colder. It's definitely getting
yeah,
colder.
It's getting cold, but the sun's out, no wind, and it's a wind. You know what
Yeah.
I mean?
It's pretty windy.
What about you? It was good Thanksgiving?
Yeah, we did a little bit of barbecue just in the backyard, just some family. But
Nothing wrong with that, man.
yeah, nothing wrong with that. I like it simple. That's good right
Exactly.
there.
You just missed the craziest way the Chiefs won.
Dude, I couldn't believe they were doing that for a little bit.
You just missed the craziest way they
So
won.
you're saying they got lucky again, huh?
Yes, yes. The center snapped it when he wasn't paying attention. The Chiefs recovered it. They threw a flag. Somehow it was on the Raiders, not the Chiefs. And the Chiefs got the ball. Like, they were in field goal range, dude. It was insane.
All right, bro. So like we talked about the one citation.
Yeah.
You're going easily over 70, dude. Okay.
Okay.
It's a 45. You're a the hell, buddy. Okay.
Okay.
So what I can only confirm and verify that you're going over the speed limit. So that's why you do 10 or under. All right.
Yeah.
So that's why you're getting a $25 fine.
Okay.
You're ultimately getting a break today, dude.
Okay. Yeah, I
With the
understand.
dealer plate, that's fine. Get a better one on there. At least
Yeah.
tape it or do something to where it's not faded.
I usually
can
get
tell
'em-
it goes back to the car and I can see
Yeah.
the insurance on it, dude.
I usually get them laminated. I never drive this thing, and
Okay.
it's been kind of sitting outside a little bit, so that's why it's a little like faded.
Okay. What did you guys pay to get it redone?
I built it myself. I paid like 20 grand in parts, and then I bought it for 20.
What are you guys selling it for now?
We're not making money on it. Bought it during COVID, so that's where it got us.
What's in it?
It's a 6.2 V8.
60
It's a 1LE SS.
I just bought a 69 Chevelle, man.
Really?
What?
Let's go.
Money, dude. Where's the potato numbers at?
Don't worry about it, bro.
All right.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys being super chill. You know.
Dude,
Most of us are, dude.
Yeah.
I'd say as long as you're cool with us, we're gonna be cool back, right?
Yeah, of course.
All right. What you got here? We'll sign through here and use this as our desk today.
All right, let's
So
go.
this is your citation. Right where I circled that for you is the 3 ways you go about paying.
Okay.
Again, the $25 citation fee. You have the 3 ways to go about paying: online, over the phone, or in mail.
Okay.
What I need from you: signature right here. Careful with your speeds around here, man, especially in city limits.
Yeah.
As you know, dude, racing is a major problem in the city,
Okay.
dude.
Yeah.
So that's why we're causing a big problem with
Yeah.
it, right?
I never ever have street raced. I
Well,
don't like it. Don't
I'm
condone it.
we're gonna say that was just your random experience with that, dude.
Yeah.
Just be careful, bro.
Oh, you got it.
Okay?
I appreciate it. Thank
Also,
you.
you're gonna
Is it
go-
okay if I grab a photo from up there of just you guys behind me?
That's fine, dude. I
Thank you.
don't care.
All right. Thank you, man. That was crazy. Well, ultimately, they were really chill and they're super respectful, and I was respectful back. I didn't know at first why he got behind me, but it is true. Like, he got behind me a while after I did it, but I did do a pull, guys. It was a deserted road up a hill. There's nobody on it, and I mean, I couldn't resist. I did he says I was easily going 70. He doesn't have any speed of measurement, but I'm not gonna lie to him and say I wasn't speeding. I know I was definitely speeding of some sort. But it's my first time being pulled over. I am a very safe driver, and I don't do street racing or anything like that, because we know what happens to these cars when people aren't responsible with them. But it was a wide open road, no curbs, no nothing. I don't know where he was or where he got me at or where he saw me, but he was super chill. He only wrote me for 10 or less, and the speed limit was 35. I probably was not going 45, probably closer to 60, I think, maybe not 75. Definitely wouldn't go that fast, but maybe around 60. But he was super chill. He let me get a thumbnail and everything. He let me record everything. Chillest cop ever. It's my first time ever being pulled over. I just took the citation. I'm not doing the court appearance or anything like that, because I mean, it's, you know, it's only 25 bucks, and it saves a lot more time than having to go to a court and doing all that and worrying about all that. So it's only 25 bucks. But super chill guy, super chill cops, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was super strange, and I wasn't expecting to have something like that happening. I literally went to go get gas in this thing. That's pretty much about it, and I stopped by at the bank. But I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and a great Black Friday if you scored some deals or anything like that. Well, made it home, ended up getting one of these bad boys, but I still... But he didn't have any proof against me. Like, he didn't have my speed measured. He didn't pace me. He didn't use radar or laser radar. He didn't really use anything. He just, I guess, kind of went off of his eyes, but he has no justification of how fast I was actually going. I definitely was not going 75. That's how much he said that he thinks I was going. Definitely not going that fast. It's cold today, too. It's like 40 degrees. When it's cold outside, like, tires are cold. Everything is cold. So I definitely wouldn't go 75 because the road I was on driving back home to, it wasn't the smoothest road, so I wouldn't go that fast. I think maximum, if I was speeding, because I don't even know if I was, maybe 60. But I still accepted full. You know, I took his ticket and everything. I don't want to do court appearance and go to driving school and all that, because your boy already knows how to drive. I don't need to go to driving school. But got this all situated, I guess. Got a $25 ticket, which is nothing. Kind of makes me think he was just trying to meet his quota, but it's okay. I know better than to argue with the cop, because you might end up on the fancy end of one of these bad boys, though. Just jokes, though. They were chill. So I love those guys. Just, you know, as long as you don't pull me over again. But yeah, I probably won't be driving this thing for another 3 months again. And this thing, I don't even know when I'm going to even get to drive it. But that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, which was highly unexpected, be sure to go down below, hit that like button, and while you're at it, there's a shiny red subscribe button that you should click. I think I was pretty chill with the cops. My first time getting pulled over, and honestly, I'm an honest guy, so if I ended up tattling on myself somewhere in there, then, you know, so be it. It's who I am. I'm just an honest person, you know, just a chill guy. But thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for all the love and support. I really, really much appreciate it. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. Yes, you, right there. Thankful for you. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!